Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to charge your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And for that, we're gonna need this charging cable which goes in a complete with this device and with this round magnet. So here Type-C, you just need to plug in a power adapter and then into a source of power, or you can plug it in computer if you like, but the charging process in this case will go slower. Now just take your watch, and on its back part you can see this round magnet as well, so just connect it like that and you'll see the charging animation. That means that your watch is starting to charge right now. So the full charge takes about 96 minutes. And the watch battery can last up to 36 hours in normal mode and up to 72 hours in low power mode. When using GPS services, the battery lasts about 12 hours. And that's it. If you want to unplug it, just simply take it out of this magnet. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.